Hello, my name is Ashdeep, and in this video, I will be reflecting on the three negotiation related videos that we watched in class. Each video taught me something important about negotiation and dispute resolution. The first video was Duel at the Mall, and what stood out to me most was the role that emotions play in resolving disputes. Both parties were very emotional, and that escalated the conflict rather than solving it. It showed me that most emotions, when take over, people stop listening to each other's real needs and instead focus on winning the argument. The lesson here is that as negotiators, we have to acknowledge emotions but not let them control the process. Remaining calm, focusing on underlying issues, and de escalating tension can move the conflicts in toward a solution. The second video was USS Montana, and the big takeaway here is about communication and assumptions. The naval officers assumed that because of their authority, the other ship would change its course. But the reality was that it was not a ship and it was a lighthouse. This shows how dangerous it can be when we fail to gather accurate information and when we assume our position is the strongest. If the officers had asked clarifying questions or listened carefully, the issue could have been avoided entirely. The negotiation lesson for me is that don't assume. Always clarify and check facts before pushing for your own way. The third video was about getting to yes, with the orange being an example. The two people in the video were fighting over an orange, and the initial assumption in the video was that they both needed to split the orange in half. But once they discussed their actual interests, they realized one wanted the juice and the other wanted the peel. This perfectly demonstrated the principle of focusing on interests, not positions. By digging deeper into what each party needs, negotiators can create a win win solution instead of just compromising, and that's a lesson that I can carry forward in any negotiation possible. Well, overall, the three videos taught me that emotions need to be managed, assumptions needs to be avoided, and interest needs to be uncovered. These are key principles that I will use whenever I will approach any real world negotiations. Thank you for your time.